Have you ever wondered how Cop restaurants make such amazing curry where you can taste every individual ingredient instead of a bad stew with spices added? Today we're going to explain the process of layered curry, where the curry base is made separately from the finished curry. I am using chicken in this curry, but you can use any meat, including lamb, beef, or seafood. The process remains the same for all meats. Before we continue, please take time to subscribe to receive notifications of future videos. This really helps us out. Starting with the ingredients for the curry base: 90 milliliters of cooking oil, 400 grams diced onion, 2 green chilies chopped, 1 tablespoon fresh ginger chopped, 1 tablespoon garlic chopped. The spices. I have listed these in the description below. 135 grams thick yogurt, 400 grams tomato puree, 1.25 liters of filtered water. Add the oil to a large pan and heat this over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and sauté these gently for about 15 minutes until they start to take on color. Add the chili, ginger, and garlic, and sauté for another 2 minutes. Add all the spices and continue to sauté everything until the spices are mixed in and start to release their aroma. Pour in the yogurt and mix this in briefly. Pour in the tomato puree and mix everything until combined. Add all the water and mix everything again until combined. You are going to simmer the curry base for around 60 minutes or until everything has reduced by 50%. To monitor this, take a bamboo skewer and insert it into the pot until it touches the bottom. Mark the level of the liquid with a pen or pencil. As time passes, reinsert the skewer into the pot, and when the liquid level is half of the marked starting point, the base is done. At this point, you can either continue with the curry, or you can refrigerate or freeze the base for later use. To continue with the curry, dice 400 grams potato and cut 1 kilogram of chicken into bite-sized pieces. Add 120 milliliters cornstarch and 60 milliliters light soy sauce to the chicken, and massage this into the chicken until all the pieces are coated with the slurry. Heat your deep fryer to 180 Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Add the diced potato and fry this for a few minutes until it starts to take on color and the cubes rise to the top of the oil. Remove the fried potato from the oil and set this aside. Remix the chicken briefly to make sure all the pieces are coated. Carefully drop a quarter of the chicken to the oil, piece by piece. Fry this for 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the chicken from the oil. Set it aside and continue with the remaining chicken, going batch by batch until complete. Reheat your curry base until it reaches between 65 and 70 Celsius. Add the fried potato and chicken and stir this in until combined. Serve the curry immediately, or cool it to room temperature and freeze it in portions for later use. That's all for today, folks. Please like, subscribe, and share this with your friends and family, and we'll see you next Friday.